Here we have a Breville Oracle. This unit was leaking from the bottom, but the source of the leak was actually coming from the very top of the machine on the boiler. A few of the inserts on the boiler and the gaskets were a bit old, so we just replaced everything, lubed it up, and there is no longer a leak problem. And let's run a shot so you can see some pre-infusion. It's coming out a bit strong. The grinds might be a bit too fine. We didn't use this one. We use our own coffee grinder. But yeah, there you have it. Clean shot. And as you can see at the bottom, it's harder to see, but there's no more leaking anywhere on the base. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.